Hello students, welcome in online lecture of 10th Maths first. Dear students, we had started topic number first, linear equation in two variables. In earlier videos, we had completed practice set 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. Now students, in this video, we will see one new concept, that is the equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. See students, we had here see what is our subunit equations. We will see equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. We convert a pair of linear equations in two variables. What is the meaning of this? How we reduce a pair of linear equation to a pair of linear equation into variable? See, observe, we know how to find linear equation in two variable. This is x plus y is equal to 2. It is a linear equation in two variable. But see students, here I write 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 5. This is linear equation. Is second equation is the linear equation. Here degree is, here variable are present are 2, but it is not linear equation in two variables. Okay. Similarly, if I write in this way, see 6 upon x minus 1 plus 5 upon y plus 2 is equal to 11. Here also you observe that there are variable presents too, but its degree we cannot define here. It is not linear equation in two variables. Okay. So in this way, this is linear equation, but these two are not linear equation in two variables. So we convert this into linear equation in two variables. So equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. How we convert this into linear equation, we will see in this video. So let's start. See students, solve 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7 and 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. So we write as given equation, we can write as given equations are. First we write given equations. First equation is 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. And second equation is 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. Here, if I take 4 outside, then what happens? 4 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 7. And here 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 5 becomes. Okay. Why I do it as this? Because here remains 1 upon x, here also remains 1 upon x. Here remains 1 upon y, here also remains 1 upon y. Therefore here let 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Therefore, given equation becomes, how the given equation becomes? See, if I put 1 upon x is equal to m, for this you take m, then what happens? 4 into m plus 5 into 1 upon y means n is equal to 7, and we get second equation as 3m plus 4m is equal to 5. You call this as equation first and this is as the second. So here we converted this equation to linear equation in two variables. It is not linear equation, but here we converted it is into linear equation in two variables. Okay, here two variables are present and degree of each variable is 1. So we converted the given equation into linear equation in two variables. Now these two linear equations you can solve by substitution method, by elimination method, or by Cramer's rule as usual. Here I solve this by substitution method or by elimination method. Elimination method आपण try करूया. We make either coefficient of m same or either coefficient of n same. We make coefficient of m same. So for this here you multiply this equation by 3 and second equation by 4. Okay. So multiply equation 1. Multiply equation 1. Equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 3. Equation 2 by 4. Sorry. By 4. What happens? See, here you multiply this equation by 3 and second equation by 4. So what happens here? 3 4s are 12m plus 3 5s are 15 and is equal to 7 3s are 21. And second equation becomes 4 3s are 12m plus 4 4s are 16m is equal to 5 4s are 20. The new equation you call as third and fourth. Now here coefficient of m are same, so we subtracting equation 3 and 4. So what we get after subtracting? 12m plus 15m is equal to 21 minus 12m plus 16m is equal to 20. Do subtractions, change the sign. 12m, 12m get cancelled. 15 minus 16, that is minus n, is equal to 21 minus 1, 20 is 1. Therefore, we get n is equal to minus 1. We get the value of n. Put this value of n in either equation 1 or 2. Put n is equal to minus 1 in equation first. We have, what is the equation first? 4m plus 5m is equal to 7. 4m plus 5 into bracket n is minus 1 is equal to 7. 4m minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, we get 4m is equal to 7 plus 5, 12. m is equal to 4 3s are 12. We get the value of m and n. But we don't want value of m and n. We have to solve these in terms of x and y. So we find the value of x here. Write m first. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to minus 1. So put the value of m. What is the value of m? 1 upon x. We write m as 1 upon x is equal to 3 and what is n? 1 upon y is equal to n is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. 3x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 3. And here minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, we get y is equal to minus 1. So we get x is equal to 1 upon 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, solution is, we write lastly solution. Solution is xy is equal to 1 upon 3 and minus 1. Okay, student, understand? So first convert this into linear equation in two variable. How we convert? Here we observe here 1 upon x is there, here also 1 upon x. 1 upon y is there, 1 upon y is there. So we take 4 outside, 5 outside. So we get 1 upon x, 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon y. Put 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Then we convert the given equation into linear equation in two variable. And you know how to solve this linear equation. You simplify. First find the value of m and n, and again here the process is not stopped. Okay, here again you put the value of m and n, and further simplify you get the value of x and y. Second example we will see. Solve 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So we write here given equation. First we write given equations are. What are the given equations? First we write 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Here you observe in both these equations x minus 1 is same, y minus 2 is same. Therefore we write this as 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Here observe 1 upon 1 minus x is there and 1 upon y minus 2 is there. So in this step you put 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to n and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to n. Therefore, what are the given equation becomes? Given equations becomes here 5 as it is. 1 upon x minus 1 is n plus 1 upon y minus 2 is n is equal to 2 and what is the second equation? 6 into n minus 3 into n is equal to 1. We call this as equation first and this as second. So the given equation is reduced to linear equation in two variables. Two variables are present m and n and its degree is 1. Therefore it is linear equation in two variables. Now you solve this by substitution method or by elimination method. Here I solve this by elimination method. Here you multiply n by 3. Here means here make n coefficient same 3. Multiply equation first by 3, or you find the value of n from first equation and then put it. 3 1 ला 3 ने multiply करते 5 3 जा 15n plus 3n is equal to 3 2 जा 6. Now observe equation second and third, n is there and 3 is there. So by adding second equation and third equation, n get eliminated. Therefore we adding equation 2 and 3. We add equation 2 and 3. So write first second equation 6n minus 3n is equal to 1 plus 15n plus 3n is equal to 6. And 3n minus 3n get cancelled. 15n plus 6n 21n is equal to 6 plus 1 7. Therefore we get n is equal to 7 upon 21. 7 1 7, 7 3 21. We get n is equal to 1 upon 3. We get value of m as 1 upon 3. Now put n is equal to 1 upon 3 in first equation first. What we get? Equation first we write for 5m plus n is equal to 2. Therefore 5 into what is the value of m? 1 upon 3 plus n is equal to 2. 5 upon 3 plus n is equal to 2. Therefore we get n is equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3. And we get 3 as it is. 3 to the 6 minus 5. Therefore we get n is equal to 1 upon 3. We get value of m as 1 upon 3 and value of n as also 1 upon 3. Now put the value of m and n. M is equal to 1 upon 3. What is m? 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. To cross multiply, x minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, we get x is equal to 3 plus 1. X is equal to 4. And what is n? N is also we get 1 upon 3. Therefore, what is n? 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. Cross multiply, y minus 2 into 1, y minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, we get y is equal to 3 plus 2. Y is equal to 5. Therefore, solution is x bar is equal to 4 and 5. This is our last answer. Okay. Now students, we will see last example. Given equation we write as given equations are. What are the given equations? You write this. Here you observe it is x plus y, x minus y is there. So take 10 multiply 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. And second equation we write as 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here you put x, put 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to m. Therefore, we get given equation as 10m plus 2m is equal to 4. First equation, and this is 15m minus 5m is equal to minus 2. We call it the second equation. So you simplify the given equations, you convert into linear equation in two variables in this way. Now you simplify this either by elimination method or by substitution method. Okay. Here you make the coefficient same. Here I make the coefficient of n same. So here multiply equation first by 5 and equation second by 2. So here you multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 2. What happens? 5 into 10, 50m plus 10m is equal to 5 4 is 20. And here you multiply by 2, 52 is 30m minus 10m is equal to 2 2 is 4. Now here coefficient of n is same. We adding equation 3 and 4. What we get by adding? See, we add this 50 plus 30 means 80m. And this get cancelled is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16. Therefore, we write as m is equal to 16 upon 80. 16 on the 16, 16 5 is 80. n is equal to 1 upon 5. We get value of n as 1 upon 5. Put this value of n in equation first. Put solution first. 10n plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore, 10 into 1 upon 5 n value plus 2n is equal to 4. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore, we get 2n is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. n is equal to 1. So, we get n is equal to 1 upon 5 and n is equal to 1. But further, we simplify in terms of x and y. Now, what is n? n is equal to 1 upon 5 and n is equal to 1. Put the value of n. n is 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5 and what is n? 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. You cross multiply, x plus y is equal to 5 and here x minus y is equal to 1. You call this as equation number 5th. This equation as 5th and this equation as 6th. Now further you simplify these two equations. This is lengthy process but simple. Okay. First we convert this into linear equation into variable m and n. Then you simplify this and calculate the value of m and n. You calculate the value of m and n and replace m and n by 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y. You cross multiply. Further we get the two linear equation in two variables. You solve these two equations. How to solve these two equations? By adding equation 5 and 6. We add equation 5 and 6. So what is equation 5? X plus y is equal to 5 plus x minus y is equal to 1. Y get cancelled, x plus x is 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, we get x is equal to 2 3 is 6. We get value of x as 3. Now put this value of x is equal to 3 in equation 5th. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 5. बघा की x ची व्हॅल्यू 5 मध्ये ठेवा किंवा 6 मध्ये ठेवा चालेल. What is equation 5th? X plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, solution is, we require the solution x y is equal to 3 2. This is the required solution of the given simultaneous equation. Okay, understand? So in this case, you convert the given linear equation into linear equation in two variables. So students, in this video, we had seen what are the equations, which equations reducible to linear equation in two variables. How we convert the given equation into linear equation in two variables, and then how to solve this linear equation in two variables which are reducible. Okay, so your today's homework is try to understand all the example in this video and solve the examples in video also, and try to solve the examples in practice set 3.4, which is based on equations reducible to linear equation in two variables. There are only 4 examples. You can easily solve all these examples. So we will stop here. See you in the next video.